It's same with the subject number 3. Need to improve. Okay, that's the verb. The last sentence, the growing demands on American workers in the context of a pyramid. In the second sentence, Mbak Christina?
Yes, miss.
Need to say yes, still the same. Need to improve. Okay.
Kenapa nggak pakai establish, miss?
Which one? Establish. Need to improve and establish. We can use establish too. It's two verb to support these three subjects. Ya, ada dua berarti, ada dua verbnya. Need to improve dan establish. And create. Ya, create juga berarti ada tiga. Ada tiga verbnya. Okay? So we find 3 verbs for the second sentence. Okay? Got it? Okay, we move to number 3. This authorization is an enormous resource to the planners who organize the discussions because they gain considerable control over the forums in which they occur, the agenda, the information provided, and the framing of the issues discussed. What is the subject of organized? Who organized? In the first sentence, after who? Who organized the discussion? Who refer to a person? Yeah, the planners is talk about person. Yeah, the planners organize. Okay, that's the subject of organize. And what is the subject of is? In first sentence as well. The authorization. Okay, good. And what is the subject of occur? Sorry? They, yeah. In the last sentence, they occur. Yeah, they occur. And what is the options for? Oh, this is the subjects, yeah. So, what is the verb of the forums? The forums. They is a subject, not the verb. The forums in which they occur, the agenda, the forums is a subject. The agenda, the information provided, and the framing of the issues discussed. Okay. Provided subject for information. Yeah. Can you see another answer?
It's confusing.
Yeah, it's quite confusing. So let me read together again to find the answer. This authorization is an enormous resource to the planners, who organize the discussion because they gain considerable control over the forums in which they occur, the agenda, the information provided, and the framing of the issues discussed. Okay, let me see what is the answer. Wait a minute.
It's really confusing.
Ya, ini bagian dari
I
relatif.
didn't understand about this question.
Yes.
Very confusing.
Over the forum because they gain considerable control over the forums, in which it starts with the subject. Okay, in which, let me see. Wait a minute.
When the forum actually is object.
Is an object, not the subject, right? Yeah, so it must be not followed by verb.
By subject.
Yeah,
The subject is
yeah, okay. So we cannot find the verb of forums here. How about the discussion? The discussion. It's also the object, right?
yeah.
Who organized the discussion? Oh, maybe the verb. The question asks us to make a passive in a verb in a passive sentence. How do you think?
I don't know. I just
Maybe karena ini kan objek, jadi kalau misalnya dipindah jadi subjek, bentuk bentuk kata kerjanya itu jadi bentuk passive voice. Yeah, so if we move it to be a subject, we move these objects to be a subject. So what is the possible verb for this object? Considerable. They gain considerable control over the forums. Considerable is an adjective to a noun control, not a verb. Dari kalimat ini kita lihat verbnya itu gain, bukan considerable. Considerable ini merupakan kata sifat untuk menjelaskan kata benda control. Ya, berarti the right answer is the forums is gained by them. Yeah, is the forum is gained by them. Yeah, okay.
you agree.
Yeah, we practice together. And how about B? The discussions. From the first clause, in the beginning, from the beginning, this authorization is an enormous resource to the planners who organize the discussions. The verb that close to the discussion is organize. Organize. Ya.
Discussion by organize.
Kalau kita pisah kalimat, ini kan kalimat yang terdiri dari main clause and subordinate clause. Kalimat yang terdiri dari kalimat induk kalimat, dan anak kalimat. Jadi kalau kita misalnya pisah ini, ada dua kalimat. Yang pertama, this authorization is an enormous resource. Oke? Yang kedua, the planners organize the discussion. Itu anak kalimatnya. Agree? Ya. Jadi kalau misalnya kita pisah, the planners organize the discussion, kita ubah ke passive voice menjadi apa? Bagaimana bentuknya jadinya? The discussions, passive voice selalu to be plus verb 3. To be plus verb 3. Organized di sini bentuknya apa? Verb 1 kan?
Iya, tambahin ed. Organized.
Verb 1. Verb 1 itu refers to simple sentence. Simple, how to say that? Simple present tense.
Participle.
Yeah, do you still remember the format of simple present tense? Kalau simple present tense in
Present verb 1.
ya verb 1. Kalau dalam bentuk active voice-nya itu verb 1, subject plus verb 1. Kalau dalam bentuk passive voice-nya itu subject plus to be plus verb
Verb 2.
3.
Okay.
Ingat ya, kalau passive voice selalu diikuti oleh verb 3, to be plus verb 3. Ya, please remember that. To be-nya apa? Kalau present tense is am, are. Hello?
Yes, it's an
Is that right?
yes.
Do you remember? Do you still remember that? Is, am, are. Itu untuk present tense. How about perfect tense? To be for... No. It's for past tense.
Oh, sorry.
For present perfect tense.
Have and
Has and have. Right? For past tense,
was
was, were.
were.
Okay. For future tense,
Will would.
we don't use to be. We use modals. Okay. Gotcha. And then let's answer number B. The discussion, if we change to be passive voice, become... Hello? Yeah. Are you with me?
Yes.
Be concentrate. Okay. Number B, the discussions. Yeah. We find this word from the planners organized the discussions. Yeah, it's a passive. It's the active voice. How about we change to passive voice? Mbak Martija? Were? Are you sure? Because it's present tense, not past tense.
Are
Why do you use are?
discussions as got as in the discussion.
No, when we change to the passive voice, we must connect to the subject in the active voice, not for the subject from the passive voice.
The subject is the planner.
Yeah, the planners. So it must be the discussion are organized by the planners. Good job. Okay, good job. Jadi kata kerjanya itu are organized, okay? And number C. The planners. Nah, ini gampang ini. Ini bukan bentuk passive voice lagi. What is the verb for the planners? Hello?
Is
No, we already separate the subordinate clause. In the first sentence, in the first clause. Di klausa pertama. Before comma. The planners who organize the discussion. If we separate it, becomes the planners organize the discussions. So the planners